Hello everyone, my name is Prabhat. Sometimes your child locked your trolley and you are beating them, so don't do that. I have a solution. In this video, I will tell you how to unlock your locked trolley without any lag and without any problem very easily. So without further ado, let's start the video.
So friends, I am locking my trolley and I have locked my trolley and I am rotating number dials multiple times and I forgot the keys. Now I am trying to unlock my trolley and I can't open it. As you can see, I am pressing but it's not opening. I can't remember the keys. So, rotate key dials again and you will find a hole under the rotate dial. You have to keep all holes in same direction. As you can see in the video, now all holes are in same direction. You have to rotate all three wheels in consecutive order, means all three wheels you will rotate only one time and you will try to unlock, rotating again and again until it unlocks. After 5 times of successful key rotation, I have unlocked my lock which I forgot. After watching this video, if you can't open your trolley lock, watch this video again carefully. You will able to unlock your trolley. This video is only for educational purpose.
This video not for thieves. If any thieves watching this video, please don't steal anyone's property. Go do some hard work and earn. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.